Are you looking for a platform where you can showcase your amazing skincare products? Well, I am Samantha, the creator of Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. To target audience in the skincare and beauty, to showcase your brand and products to the right audience. With over 9,000 subscribers, my channel is the perfect place you can showcase your brands or skincare products. And I'm excited to offer you an exclusive opportunity to partner with my channel. As a special offer, I will be giving you a discount of 10% of the price that I will be charging. So you can start today. And the discount code is Jamaica Glow 10. Moreover, I also have another YouTube channel with 17,000 subscribers that I can also promote your business. So it is called Facts All Over. You can go over there and subscribe, and I can add your videos over there as well. By partnering with us, you will get a detailed product review of your product. Also, high quality content. Number three, you will also get me to share this video of your product that I review to my social media platform where you will get more engagement. I have a Facebook group with 22,000 members. It's also called Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. My email is samanthawork100@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram at Samantha's Jamaican Skincare, username Queen Barbiana. That is QueenBarbyana. So you can message me and let's talk about your amazing products. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your skincare brand to the next level.